How's it going? Welcome back to Hollerboys. Today we'll be doing a job for one of my neighbours. It's a bit of a decent job. A lot of thick plants that will actually need to be pulled out by hand rather than whippersnip and mow, due to them being real thick, and it's quite an abundance of those. But first we'll have to clean up the backyard for them, because there's a lot of rubbish in amongst the lawn. This was all left by the previous tenants. It's not great, so I'm doing it for them. I'm going to start with out the front, obviously. We'll work our way back, pull out the big ones by hand, and then clean up the yard, throw it all out, and then mow and whippersnip. As you can see, we started with the front garden lawn area. Well, it's not really a lawn, it's all bark, but we started there and then moved on. As you can see now, we've moved on to the driveway, getting that done next. Here I've actually shown the camera my knife, but it might be a little bit too quick to pick up. I just wanted to quickly stop and show you, if you do not have a trusty Bowie knife or at least a fixed blade knife, go get yourself one. Come here, watch this. Look how thick this is. Yeah? Just pull all that through so you can see properly. Watch this. Piss easy, like butter. Goes through everything. Now this knife has gone through hell and back, and it's still razor sharp. K-Bar USMC. I love this knife. I use it for everything. I do actually use that knife for a bit of everything. Like, I've used it for hunting, fishing, used it to hammer logs, a bit of everything. Quick pause just to show an update. Doesn't look like a whole lot, does it? 2 whole bins worth of weeds. Yeah, you can't get them all squished down too much. But that's just the front yard.
Man, I was a little bit out of breath there.
Cameo from the missus. I got ya. And that's the driveway complete. And you missed a spot below in there. But just quickly blow that off. Yeah, just needs to be poisoned. I would suggest poisoning, because yeah. So thanks for that. All done.